don't put oil anymore. Yeah. Next one is the squids. Time. Fry naman natin ang ating dish with shokanga. Fry with ginger strips or swaychao. Then, let's put na the shokanga. Shokanga or sieve. Add changyow or soy sauce. No need salt. Kasi bigyan na ang kanyang pagpaalat. Very little lang. Para lang sa may sabaw-sabaw. Na the latiao, red chilli, and the kawchancha. Salty. Changyow. Okay na siya. Don't put too much kasi magiging rubber. Dish is si Talome. And let's put at the swantow. And is salt and vetsin. Too much. Enough na yung makuluan ng oyster. Kasi ito ay nangyayutin pagka sobrang tuloy. Taste na anyway. This is my Talome. The next one is the swaychao. Dumplings. Ayan. Boil water muna natin. And then, for every boiling, we'll add 1 cup of water. Twice cup of water. And then we'll add salt in the water. Ayan lang siya. The simplest and easiest menu of the day. And we'll cover it. Let's wait until it boils. Water is now boiling. So we'll put swaychao or dumplings one by one. Ayan, let's cover it again. Tatanggal-tanggalin para hindi siya magigit. Kasi pag tumigil, cover. Cover muna natin. Pag tumulog siya, a few minutes na kumukulo, we'll add another cup of water and oil and another cup of water. Twice na magdadagdag tayo ng water. 1 cup, 1 cup. Okay, let's check na. Itong boil na. This is the first cup of water. Let's boil another few minutes. At siya, almost cooked na. Pero siguro ito niluluto is for 15, 20 or 25, up to 25 minutes para luto pati loob niya, yung pork niya. Let's check it out, guys. Okay, ito na siya. Ayan, crinkle na siya. So, and then lumulutang na siya. So this means luto na siya. You can cook very quickly. Ayan ang aking dumplings or swaychao. So I'm done with my 4 dishes today. And pwede nang no rice, but I still cook rice, a little rice lang. So this is the swaychao or dumplings, and then the pork, lettuce or si talome, and the squids or si shokanga, and our pinko or apple. Ito, sausawan ng dumplings ng swaychao. This is a light toyo. Light, hindi siya gaanong maalat. Light changyow. Ayan po ang aking dish for today. Hope you enjoy my cooking again today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Let's check it out, guys.